So guys, good afternoon. Today's videos guys is to cook some breast chicken. Ayan guys, breast chicken with celery, bell pepper, onion, garlic, garwan sauce, and coriander with tomato paste and tomato sauce and chicken stock. Yan guys, ang lulutuin ko ngayon na dinner ni magkaibigan. Itong mga puti guys, yun naman ang i-balance kong broccoli or kanilang veggie. Ito, baby potato guys, nilalaga ko. Yan ang parang kanin nila guys. Yan. Please watch my video. Welcome back to my channel guys. Really love this. Magluto tayo ng chicken breast. Please come and watch my video, beautiful people. Sana natin yun. 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 Chicken breast. Yan, ang sarap na guys. Walang panamang tinola. Sarap na guys. Walang panamang tinola. Sarap na guys. Walang panamang tinola. Yan na siya guys. And then salad, may patatas, broccoli. Ito na rin siya. Ang sarap. And chicken breast guys with garban sauce, celery, bell pepper. Yan guys. And chicken broth yung pinagkuhan ko, kanang sabaw ko. Lalagyan ko na lang siya ng coriander. Ayan guys. Ang sarap. Ayan na siya. Ayan na guys. Maraming ilagay ko sa lunchbox yung iba. Para may ilagay sa freezer. Yan na rin ang patatas. Salad. Broccoli. Na guys. Yummy, yummy. Chicken breast. Sarap guys. May celery, tomato, bell pepper, coriander, tomato paste. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Ayan.
I'm sorry, how is your health? My health is fine now. I'm very, very lucky. I had all sorts of treatment in a wonderful team. And I was signed off 2 years ago.
Ayan guys, so dito na ang madadaanan natin guys. So tignan niyo yun oh. Pauwi na tayo guys. Pauwi na oh. Tignan niyo ang cute. Oh. Ayan guys, so. Ayan. Advance Merry Christmas. Beautiful people in YT. Ano, pauwi na tayo guys. Oh, ayan oh. May ikot-ikot siya guys oh. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Ay, ayun din si Lulu guys. Tignan niyo. Mahal ang brief guys. Mahal ang brief oh. Mahal ang brief guys. Mahal. Oh yeah. Uwi na tayo. Wala nang brief si Lulu. Oh yeah. Guys, uwi na tayo. Uwi na. Advance Merry Christmas guys. Loko-loko sila. Pati si Lulu. Dinisplay. Walang brief guys. Bye-bye na guys. Bye-bye na. Tapos na ang trabaho guys. 8 hours done. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. God bless guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Agay. Ayaw nang ma-stop ang video. Agay.
Lucky.